Hey guys, Raim from Killer Ink here, and today I'm going to be showing you these Darklab Vertix Cartridges. Vertix cartridges are designed in the USA by Darklab, which also produces well-known brands like FK Irons and Spektra Rotary. So let's take a look at what they have to offer. Darklab's Vertix Needles are some of the most advanced tattoo cartridges available. To demonstrate how these cartridges run, we're going to be running them with the Spektra Direct 2, a Darklab RPG Click Ergo Grip, and a Darklab Delta foot switch. Specially engineered to answer the needs of the most demanding tattoo artists, the Darklab Vertix cartridges have unique features that can't be found on any other cartridge brand on the market. The tips of the Vertix cartridges are both transparent and detachable, which gives you a perfect view of the ink flow and allows you to perform slight needle adjustments. In addition, the internal tip design and materials ensures great ink flow and tip saturation, meaning that you will need to dip your needles less often. If you take a closer look at the tip shell, you will see these proprietary dual side vents. The purpose of the side vents is to create a decompressing vacuum action, which minimises potential spraying and ensures a perfect rinse of the needles that prevents inks from mixing when swapping between shades. Darklab's Vertix cartridges are also fitted with a secure, low-tension membrane, which prevents the ink from flowing back into the cartridge. The membrane also reduces motor stress in your tattoo machine. In terms of the actual needles, those found in Darklab's Vertix cartridges are perfectly grouped and made from Japanese surgical steel, so you know they're of the highest quality. We offer Darklab Vertix cartridges in various configurations, including multiple types of liners, shaders, magnums, and curved magnums. All Darklab Vertix cartridges are available to order from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So what do you think of Darklab's Vertix cartridges? Will you be picking up a box to try them out for yourself? Let us know in the comments below. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.